y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday. If y'all don't know me by now, y'all know my hair is still not done. Okay, I ain't doing it until I got somewhere to go. So as of today, Wednesday, I ain't got nothing to do, so I'm not doing my hair. I hate doing my hair, and in this instance I have to perm it, wash it, mold it down, and sit under the goddamn dryer. But that's not why we're here. We're here to do a quick unboxing. I ordered some stuff from Fenty, something I've tried before, something that I'm new to trying, and I just had to do it. So my girl Stanley Insight here on YouTube, also on Instagram, I'll scroll her name across the screen. She does the best Fenty honest reviews. She just do skincare reviews like she's the skincare guru, okay? The reviews is popping. She's hilarious, and I absolutely enjoy her content. Y'all make sure y'all go over there and subscribe to my girl and tell her I sent you. Alright, so let me go ahead and get into this box. First of all, I don't never recall having to sign for a Fenty package. I ordered directly from the website. So UPS bought it. The dude brought it to the door, handed it to me, and I was like, thank you. He was like, oh, I need your signature. I was like, okay. So I went on ahead and signed it. He was like, last name. Gave him his last name. I was like, thank you. Then he was like, do you have some tissue? I was like, because my hands were damp, but I was in here washing the dishes. You know, I rinsed my hands off. I said, does this fool need tissue because he think my hands are wet from something else? He was like, so I could blow my nose. If you don't get your ass off my porch asking for some goddamn tissue. So I gave him the tissue, and he was like, have a blessed day. I was like, what? Because, you know, I'm talking through the door. I was like, what? He said, have a blessed day. I said, oh, thank you. Dude, get your ass on. All right, let's get into this box. And I don't know why I don't never be prepared to open these boxes before I start opening them. Alright, so y'all know classic Fenty. I love her boxing. It's just fire. Receipt, tissue paper, because you know you keep everything safe. Alright, let's go. So the first thing I purchased was the Fenty Skin starter sets. Listen, I'm new to this, so we're going to come back to it, okay? Then I wanted to try, which I'm so excited, is the new Fenty Skin Cocoa Cleanser. So this is the bar soap that I cannot wait to freaking try. And then, of course, with the bar soap, I had to get the holder. So this is the little holder that you put in the shower. I thought it was so cute. If you're going to get the soap, you might as well get the holder. Love this for me. And then what is this at the bottom? Oh, and it has a drainer at the bottom to drain out any water. Okay. We love that. And then the last and final thing I purchased was the refill of the butter drop. I've had this before, so I already have the container. I just have the refill to put inside of my container. Yep, so this is how the refill comes. So you just peel this off and then drop it inside the container. Thank you, Fenty. That's all I got. Hey, y'all. Happy Thursday. Your girl just permed her hair, okay? So this is, I use Dark and Lovely's perm. I've always used Dark and Lovely. I will forever be a Dark and Lovely girl. That's the only perm I use. So it's like a 5-step process. So I just rinsed the perm out. So now I have in step 3, which is like a fiber rejuvenating mask. You put on your hand, you leave it on there for 10 minutes, and then you wash this out, and then you shampoo it and condition. And then when you're styling your hair, you use the Recovery Shine Cream with coconut oil. So it's supposed to replenish softness to your hair. So you get 2 packs of these in this kit. So I don't normally use that, but I'm going to use that today since I've had my hair in braids. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. So I'm waiting my little 10 minutes. And I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm going to Cause I have my hood dryer that I got back from my sister, cause she has dreads, and I was like, when I was natural, I didn't need no hooded dryer, so I got my dryer back from her. So I'm actually going to wrap my hair, we'll mold it down and sit under the dryer, and then I'm gonna curl it with my tight curls and then put a scarf on. I think I have a date tonight. So yeah, but I still need to do my hair anyway because I got something to do next week and I ain't gonna wait until the last minute to do that. So yeah, I'll be back when it's time to get under that dryer. Oh y'all, real quick, do y'all watch Love Island? That is one of my favorite relationship shows, like matchmaking, love, whatever, compatibility shows. Like, it's so good. So this season is on Peacock, so it's kind of like riggedy raw. It's like adult, like, so they saying penises and dicks and vaginas and pussies and fuck and all that type of shit, okay? Girls out there in their little bikinis with the cheeks out, we love to see it. So it's on season 4. My absolute favorite couple so far is, well, I fell in love with Zeta and Tim. But now I know they're going to be okay, but I am so giddy over Jeff and Naja Young. Jeff is like a typical like street nigga, and Naja is just so, you know, prim and proper, but they mesh so good together. They are so freaking cute. So if y'all watch Love Island, let's chat in the comments. Let's get into it. So far, my favorite seasons was season 3 and then this season. I watched season 1 and 2. They were okay, but I'm actually going to go back to season 2 to rewatch it because one of the girls that came back on season 4 came from season 2. I don't remember her, so I'm about to go back in there and get the tea. So yes, y'all, if y'all watch Love Island, let your girl know. Let's chat. All right. Hair is washed, permed. Now, I'm going to wrap it. So, y'all, not that I always wash my hair. My face be so dry. Ugh. Oh, it just feels so dry. Oh my God. Girl. Alright, so I have this comb, which I will not probably use. I have a small rat tail, and then I use the Nairobi Wrap and Shine Foaming Lotion. So I'm gonna use that, and I have a backup because this probably ain't gonna be enough. But I get this from Amazon, but you can also get it from the beauty supply store. So let's. My hair grew like a mug too, y'all.
Soldier boy, tell me. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone.
Alright, y'all, I'm all wrapped up. I didn't have to end up opening the other foaming lotion after all, which is a good thing. I need to get a taller mirror unless I need to lower my seat, but then I look dumb on camera. So I guess I have to lower it when I'm looking into this mirror because it's too short, and y'all know I'm tall, so I'll figure it out later. Alright, it looks like it's getting ready to rain. I don't really have nothing else going on right now. So yeah, I'll check back in with y'all later. So my hair is flat as it, well, it is flat and it's dry. I didn't end up curling it because I just don't feel like it right now. So I have my scarf on, y'all. My hair has grown so much. Look how long my hair is on the side. That's one thing about my hair. It's gonna grow. But y'all, it is almost 6:30, and I have a mandatory training that is due, like, I don't know, like one day next week, but the next class wasn't until September. Why y'all just now saying something? And then you want to send out this big ass apology. Luckily, they had a class today at 6:45, so it's only 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do that while the chicken is thawing out, because I'm gonna make homemade pesto pizza for Din Din. That's Torrance's favorite meal. Oh God, and Peter sees it. I'll call you back.
I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind.
Good morning, happy Friday. So I'm actually getting ready to head out to get my nails done. And look, this shirt is curving over. So these are my real nails. Ooh, that's nasty. I gotta wash my hands when I get in there. So they're like starting to hurt because they're so long. So I'm definitely getting them cut down, and then I'm gonna get a fill. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't know if I'm doing my toes. If I do my toes, I'm just gonna get a polish change. I don't think I'm gonna do a full pedicure. Wait a minute, what? Oh yeah, I just made me a quick margarita the cheap way. I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. So basically, you get the tequila of your choice. This is the Jose Cuervo. This is the silver. I need to just finish it because it's like a little bit left. I use this when I make like big portions, like a punch or something. It's cheaper to keep it, baby. And then you just pick one of these Calypso drinks. So I'm drinking a pineapple peach limeade. Y'all, this literally tastes like a pineapple peach margarita because the limeade in here, just enough lime to make it taste like a margarita. So you pour that in the glass, take a shot of tequila, got you a margarita. Happy Friday. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind.
Hey, YouTube. Then I just say ask about that too. I was like, did she say the YouTube? Oh yeah, she literally just asked.
Told you, boy, tell me.
Happy Sunday. Why is it still 1,000 degrees out here? Jesus. So I'm getting ready to go to a house party. And then I should be able to close out this vlog because I don't really know I know the girl, but it's another one of Maya's friends' birthday. Oh, she always dragging me out the house.
Okay, to the birthday girl, we're so happy that you're with us. Looking as glorious.
Amen.
Not make it.
Well, you all shut the fuck up. Looking as glorious and glamorous as we expect you to look. And God presents you with another year with us.
Yes.
Amen. Happy birthday. I was supposed to end this vlog yesterday. Today is Monday. Oh, little boo-boo is in the car. It's giving a whole new day, whole new outfit, whole new festivity. So I'll check in when I get inside the venue. You know when you be videoing in the middle of the street and people be looking at you like you crazy? Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know people be vlogging, TikToking, and Instagram and everything. But it's Tiffany's husband's birthday, so we get ready to surprise him for a happy hour. And I was assigned to get here on time to make sure the area was set up. Y'all, it's hot as fucking bejeebas out this bitch. Okay, it's giving 90 plus, okay? So this is where we're going. Oh, it's so damn hot, you can't even see the sign. But I look cute today, y'all. Hey. Oh, this is the spot. It opened at full. Is it full? Yes. Oh my God. Let me get my stuff together. So you want me to go up some more steps? My God, today. Whew. Jesus Christ. Okay, good. There's a bathroom up there. Whew. 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 Let me get my breath, girl. Okay, so I made it. Do I have a wet stain? I can't even see. All right, y'all. Let me try to get some pictures before people come. Hello. You here with George?
Yes.
Okay, they not here yet, so good.
You been here for a second?
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the bartender's, she over there.
Yeah. Nah, look, I told her, look at that. Now I gotta go run back to work.
Oh, shoot,
Yeah,
but they should be pulling up.
Yeah, she told me she was like.
No, I said $50. $50 for that.
George, how you feel? George, how you feel? George, how do you feel?
I feel
Black
great.
don't crack.
Like
Feel
busting
love?
I feel like busting loose.
Googly-eyed mess.
Everybody else got one for you.
You next, boo?
Yes, we can see the
Period. You been
a Capricorn.
Oh my God.
Everybody, listen.
Wait, I gotta do her.
Listen, everybody meet right here. Thanks. Hey, listen.
Chanel.
Hold on, George. Let's everybody get a shut up.
The luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up. Lord is flower bound, firefly when I'm low.
Dang, how you get that?
George, give me how you feeling on your birthday? Okay, excuse me, it's a video. Tip said, wait for this pussy for the night. Talk to the camera. How do you feel about your day? It's an interview.
Stupendous.
Oh. Tip say, I said I'm gonna
That's
do
a
it
dictionary.
later. I hate you.
So you trying to do what now? See this lens? These gonna be knotless braids.
We're gonna mark this day. Today is August the 29th.
Did you cut it? No, I didn't
Maya is determined to get knotless before October the 5th.
This is the length.
I'll let y'all know how it turns out.
Take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love. Flower bomb.